Are you looking for a pocket-friendly cell phone repair store in Glendora? Visit iTech Express, one of the leading cell phone and other electronic device repair stores in Glendora. Their industry-certified and experienced technicians offer guaranteed repair service. They diagnose the device and provide a reasonable repair cost estimate. iTech Express experts offer same-day repair service for many devices. You can get prompt and top-class repair service at an affordable price. What do their services include? Computer repair service, data recovery, iPhone repair, Samsung repair, and many more. For an estimate, contact them at 626-777-4747 or browse itechexpressinc.com to learn more info.